Hi, I'm Mark from Kelda Showers. Today we're going to show you how easy it is to remove the shower head and internals for descaling and disinfecting. There is a centre cap. Underneath it is a screw, a posi screw, a large one. Needs undoing. So with the water chamber, you can either remove it from the 8mm tube as is, or you can actually pull that off of the nipple inside, but for this time I'm going to leave that in place. This is the water chamber. The air comes into this chamber here, and the water comes in through this hose, through this, into the chamber and out these nozzles. So all round here gets scaled up. Remove them from there, go and dip them in the biocide descaler for 5-10 minutes. Remove, rinse off, and then put back on. The most important thing about reassembling this is there is actually some grooves that this actually seats in. We have a flex head and a fixed head. With the flex head, the little notch down here goes down the bottom. With the fixed head, that goes up the top, because you can't get a screwdriver in underneath to get the centre cap out. So on this case, putting it down the bottom, I can see all the nozzles inside pointing at me, so I know that the water chamber is straight inside. If they're not, just take off the faceplate and realign, and then put the centre cap back in, and that's it.